The ABCO MPS Palletizer is an economical robot palletizer which comes with the ABCO service software built in. The palletizer's modular design consists of a base model and multiple standard options which allow you to build the system that best fits your needs. The compact design allows the unit to ship as one piece and be dropped in place with a forklift. The MPS Palletizer comes with a single power drop and a single airline drop for easy installation. For safety and aesthetics, all cables run through the system framework for a clean look and reduced risk. The MPS Palletizer can be installed and running in an afternoon. The Palletizer comes standard with a powered roller induction conveyor with zone control to stage boxes as needed and a standard vacuum pick option for up to 55 pounds. The ABCO service software was designed to remove the fear for first-time robot users and limit downtime and maintenance costs for all customers. It comes as a standard feature on all ABCO MPS products. It captures data and video of standard operation and faults. Features of the ABCO service app include system monitoring with AI predictive analysis of future faults, onboard cameras to capture and store video of faults 18 seconds before and 2 seconds after they happen to speed up diagnostics, allowing customers to access system data at the machine or through their internal network using a phone, tablet, or computer, and allowing ABCO technicians to remotely monitor system performance and data with your permission to quickly diagnose a fault, reducing downtime and service travel costs. Using an ABCO MPS Palletizer allows you to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and improve profits. For more information, contact ABCO Automation today.